Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the process of sending an international wire transfer using Chase Bank. Sending money overseas can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in to your Chase account. First, visit the Chase website or open the Chase mobile app. Enter your username and password to log in to your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Step 2. Navigate to the wire transfer section. Once you're logged in, look for the Payments and Transfers tab. Click on it, and you will find the option for Wire Money. Select this option to begin your wire transfer. Step 3. Choose International Wire Transfer. In the wire transfer section, you will have the option to choose between domestic and international transfers. Select International Wire Transfer to proceed. Step 4. Enter recipient's information. Now provide the required recipient details including full name of the recipient, address of the recipient, bank name and address, account number or international bank account number, IBAN, SWIFT BIC code of the recipient's bank. Make sure all details are correct, as errors can delay the transfer. Step 5. Enter the amount and currency. Specify how much money you wish to send and the currency in which you want to send it. Chase supports a variety of currencies, so choose the one that fits your transaction. Step 6. Review transfer fees and exchange rates. Before confirming the transfer, review the fees associated with the wire transfer and the current exchange rate offered by Chase. Make sure you are comfortable with the rates, as they can affect the total amount received by the recipient. Step 7. Confirm and submit your transfer. After double-checking all the information you've entered, click on the Continue button. You may be prompted to confirm your identity, either through a verification code sent to your phone or email. Complete this step to proceed. Step 8. Save your confirmation. Once you have submitted the transfer, you will receive a confirmation notification. Save this confirmation number for your records. It will be essential if you need to track the transfer or resolve any issues. Step 9. Track your transfer. You can track the status of your wire transfer through your Chase account. Return to the Payments and Transfers section and select Wire Transfers to view the status of your transaction. Thank you for watching. We hope this step-by-step guide helps you feel confident in sending international wire transfers with Chase. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and guides.